Alright, so in this video, we're going to exclude our existing subscribers from our ads, and we're going to make sure that for the next 180 days, none of our subscribers will get targeted automatically. So as you can see, I made a mistake here. But basically, you want to create a segment of all your subscribers. So I guess that's what it means. And then you just want to download that. So do quick export. And I think I've done this. Let me just kind of go ahead and check. Export all subscribers. Yeah, so it's pending. But I should get a download link here. But let's so while it's generating the link, I'll go ahead and try to exclude existing subscribers from the ads. So you want to select your campaign, and then you want to go to advertising, like to the to the ad set, and you want to do it for all ad sets. So we can just do for all ad sets here, and what we're gonna do is we're going to go to custom audiences here on the ad set level. So I selected all these ads, and then I would go to custom audiences. And then so what I would do, I would, let's create a new audience, custom audience. And then we're going to do a website next. And then we're going to do everybody who subscribed. Right now I changed it to lead, but it's the same thing as subscribed. So let's just do this. Subscribed 180 days, and then last 180 days subscribers, and that's I think the maximum you can do is 180 days. So that's why others we would do more. So you're just gonna hit create, and it's created. And so then, very important, we want to go here and then click on this arrow down and click on exclude this audience. So now what that's gonna do is it's gonna find all these people that we acquired within 180 days, and we're gonna make sure that they're not gonna see our ads. Um, and past 180 days, what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna show you, like if I go to segments, and let's do like these subs, or we're just less people because um it's gonna take a while to get it loaded. Oh, I think it worked actually, never mind. So basic subscriber segment, let's download this segment, and then gonna go back to custom audience, and we're gonna hit the customer list, and then hit next, and then hit next again, and then here we're gonna hit download upload file. We're gonna select our file with subscribers, and we're gonna hit no, doesn't include the customer value, and we're gonna hit next, and we're going to remove this. We're just gonna click on the stuff and then do not upload. We only want to upload emails because there's not much data in other fields. That's pretty much it. And we're just gonna hit import and create and upload anyways. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna basically find all the people with all the Facebook and Instagram users where they have these emails associated with this yeah, with their account, with their Facebook or Instagram account, and it's gonna make sure that they don't see these ads, right? So we're gonna hit done, and here we want to also exclude this. And once it's excluded, we're just gonna hit publish. And so basically 180 days, you want to upload this list. And yeah, that's how you exclude existing subscribers from um, your ads, right? So that's pretty much it. Hopefully it's helpful, and you have a wonderful day.